Hello, my name is Dr. Megan Fabry, and I am the MSW Program Director in the School of Social Work here at WVU. And in this video, I'm going to discuss our curriculum as well as our specialization here at the School of Social Work. So overall, our mission is to educate students to become advanced integrated practice social workers. So this basically means that we are preparing you to practice on multiple levels and in multiple settings. So what does this really mean, right? So in our program, rather than asking students to choose if they want to focus on micro and meso work, such as direct practice with individuals or families and groups, or more of a macro level practice, which involves more community work, policy, advocacy, program administration, leadership, and grant writing, our program provides students with multiple sets of skills to work on micro, meso, or macro work. And the reason for this is because it is critical for social workers to learn how to intervene on all levels and use various skills within a social work role. For example, you may start out working in direct practice and you may need skills on other levels, such as maybe you're being asked to supervise or maybe to help out with writing a grant. Or if you're working more at a macro level, you may be supervising folks or engaging in direct practice. So it's important to have a variety of skills. Additionally, sometimes social workers may want to change their position within their social work career. So you may start out in direct practice and then you might want to move into more macro or leadership, or vice versa. You may start out in macro and then later decide you want to do more direct practice or working with individuals. So our coursework really prepares you to practice on these levels and in multiple different settings. And the other focus of our program is to help you prepare to engage in interdisciplinary work, right? So we recognize that social workers work with many other professionals. They work with healthcare professionals and legal professionals, policymakers, other mental health care professionals, right? Individuals from different backgrounds and different trainings. So we want you to be able to collaborate professionally with these folks and also learn how to do so from the lens of social work and to advocate the social work mission and and a lens for working with clients and the systems. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the licensure. So graduates of our program are eligible to pursue social work license at their degree level anywhere in the United States. For advanced licensure, sometimes states can have specific requirements, so we strongly recommend that you take a look at the Association of Social Work Boards, ASWB. Their website is linked to this video, and they list all the updated requirements for every state. So I recommend that you take a look at the state that you plan to practice in to ensure that our curriculum matches what you need. And you can let us know if you have any questions or look at our website for more specific descriptions of the course listings. So a little bit more about our program goals. So we prepare students to be able to piece together practice interventions at multiple levels, right? Like I said, the macro, the meso, the micro, meso, and macro, right? We teach our students how to work from each of these levels and how to integrate an understanding of, these macro level factors that influence individual clients, and vice versa, if you're working on the macro level, right? We also train you to think about assessment, how to assess the needs of clients on multiple levels, right? The individual needs assessment, and then also community needs assessment, and then also put together an integrated theoretical framework that allows you to think about theories and how to intervene and understand human behavior and organizational behavior from multiple levels. And again, how to conduct evaluations on these levels as well. So you really do learn how to engage, assess, intervene, and evaluate clients and client systems at all these levels, the micro, meso, and macro. So that is all for this video, and on this slide we have information about the different folks you can contact in this program, including mine, Dr. Megan Fabry. And this is also on our website. I encourage you to take a look at the website for more information, and don't hesitate to reach out to anyone if you have questions. Thanks.